here's the side view of the balance. Can't get rid of that glare. Oh well, let's say I'm going to try to move this with a puff of air because the freaking toothpick is not working out good. Oh yeah. It still went crooked. Son of a beeswax. So you can see it as a heavy side, and that's the heavy side. You know, it still went crooked. I didn't even touch the damn thing and it goes crooked. Let's blow it the other way now. It's going crooked again. I don't know. Well, I can't trust these old tools. What was that? Something fell. It goes crooked. Everything goes crooked. The reason it goes crooked because I don't have it centered right on the... Because if you have it on one part of the pivot that's larger diameter than the other side, of course it's going to go crooked. Let's try one more time, one more puff. Yeah, it goes crooked. Either way, you have to do this multiple times to make sure. So yeah, there's the heavy side. That is the heavy side. Let me look at my paper. Yeah, that's the heavy side. So if it was in poise, it wouldn't be doing this rocking back and forth crap. It would just eventually stop after going one direction. It wouldn't go back and forth like this. So, well, let's see if we get one more view, and then I don't know what I'm going to do next with this thing. Am I going to wait for it to stop? I don't know. When will it stop? Well, I'm not going to wait for it to stop. I'm going to shut off soon. So here's another view. Give it a blow of air and let's see what happens. You can see it's got the heavy side. And it rocks back and forth. I hope you people appreciate what I'm doing, because this has just been a big pain in the ass. Damn. You know how many takes I had to do to get this thing to work? What a pain in the neck. And it still goes crooked. But at least it's consistently on the heavy side. I finally got brains enough to use a blower to make this thing roll instead of trying to coax it with a freaking toothpick, because every time I hit it with a toothpick it would either fall off or go crooked. One more time. Whee! Yeah, it still goes crooked. Let's see, is it still crooked? Maybe it's just my freaking imagination. Oops, too much. And we'll do it one more time and then look at that sucker go. Please don't roll off. Excellent, it's not going to roll off. See, it's got a heavy side, that's why it rocks back and forth. So, oh, looks like this one's a keeper. This take. Not like the 10 others I did. Anyway, hope you people get your fill of this stuff. I'm gonna try, oh, I think that's it. So there you go, it's got the heavy side. I got to fix it somehow. Either add weight or subtract weight. I'll figure something out. So, I'm not gonna wait for it to stop. Or maybe I will. No, I won't. So here's it, I don't know, side view, front view, I don't know what you want to call it. And I'm going to give it a little tuff of air because eventually I get intelligence. And you can watch it spin away from you. Hopefully it won't roll off the tool. Ooh, yeah, the heavy side, just enough. So, yeah, like I say, this balance is not balanced. It's out of poise. That's why it favors that one side. That's why it's rocking back and forth. Because the bearing surfaces are that good. How do you like that? So I'm going to let it... I'd have to say, I like this blower I'm using now. Damn, the toothpick was just a pain in the ass. And we'll blow it one way this way. Towards you. Oh, don't come on. That went crooked. Well, it went crooked, but at least it's consistent with the heavy side. I don't know. You know, you got to get these things just right at on the pivots, because the pivot has a taper to it, and when you go up a little further, it tapers. Excuse me, it gets larger in diameter. So if you're riding on one larger and one smaller, that's what's going to happen. So yeah, see, it went crooked again. Oh well. But I have to say the heavy side seems to be consistent. You have to do it several times. So it looks like this take is a keeper. Now let's see if I can do this with the large tool. I'm going to wait just for it to stop, I guess. What was that? A piece of dust flew by. So much freaking dust in this room. I think it stopped. Thank you.